Those who used to invest all their pension money in a well-known bank and live their lives on the interest they earn are not happy with what is happening now. Because things are happening that are difficult to understand at a glance. There are many people who think, what is the benefit to me if India becomes a fourth economic superpower? Because those who used to invest all their pension money in a bank they know in their old age and run their affairs with the money they get in this era of high inflation, sometimes they cannot cope if their income suddenly decreases. Therefore, it is very important to identify such people and manage their money in a way that does not reduce their income. Considering the situation that their income will decrease further, even if there is a little difficulty now, their income will not decrease in the future. But if it decreases, they can invest it safely and with peace of mind for the rest of their lives. Insurance is a plan that can be invested with peace of mind so that they can get the same amount of money for the rest of their lives. When you say life coverage, you will also see people who do not understand. Therefore, since there is life coverage, you will never lose money and you can choose the policy term determined by the insured himself. Who will get the money later? You can decide for yourself what to transfer and when to get your money back. You can get your money back even if you get sick. For more information, contact the number shown on the screen.